System installation. Please install Oracle VM VirtualBox according to UbiTrack Positioning System Installation Operation Manual. Note: do not shut down the VM or computer after the system is installed. Otherwise, the positioning system cannot be used. Positioning method. 2-dimension accurate plane positioning. The 2D method can achieve accurate positioning. Two algorithms, TDOA and TWR, are employed for this purpose. When the TDOA algorithm is used for positioning, the minimum number of anchors is 4, and the anchor layout is expanded, with a rectangle as the basic unit. When the TWR algorithm is used for positioning, the location of the anchor is free, and depends on the specific situation. In order to benefit from TDOA, it is generally recommended to arrange anchors in a rectangle. Note: there can only be one primary anchor in each area. When configuring each anchor, the last 4 digits of the main anchor serial number must be entered in the primary anchor field. One-dimensional tunnel and narrow area positioning. The 1D method only supports TWR algorithm, which is suitable for positioning requirements of long and narrow spaces, such as corridors. The minimum number of anchors is 2. 2 anchors need to be deployed at the both side end of the long and narrow space. If the distance between the 2 anchors exceeds 30 meters, the anchor needs to be added according to the actual situation. Note: the last 4 digits of the serial number of the matching anchor entered in the 1D pairing field. Multiple 1D paired anchors can be selected for use in the middle of a long corridor, pairing anchors on both sides. Zero-dimensional positioning monitoring exists. The 0D method also only supports TWR algorithm, which can be used to determine whether the tag is in the positioning area or not. The 0D positioning range is a circular area, with the anchor as the center, and threshold as the radius. Only one anchor is needed in the room. Note: in the 0D positioning type, the UWB tunnel number should be 3 or 4. 3-dimensional panoramic positioning is coming soon. Anchor installation. Note: before configuring the anchor, add a new plan in zone management. All dimensions and layouts in the picture must be in proportion to the actual situation, otherwise the positioning accuracy will be affected. Follow 3 steps. Select 2 points of known distance on the plan, enter the actual distance between the selected points, calculate the plotting scale and then click Save Return. The server and anchor should be connected with the switch, and the switch should be connected to the router, DHCP enabled, to form a network. If the switch is an ordinary switch, the anchor needs a separate power supply, once connected with the network cable. If a PoE switch is used, the anchor can be directly connected with a Class 5 or higher network cable without separate power supply. Note: when new anchors are configured through the web page, they need to be configured one by one, not simultaneously. Otherwise, an IP address conflict will occur, and the anchors will not be able to join the network automatically. Connect the network cable and fix it to the bracket or ceiling. The antenna of the anchor should be at least 15 centimeters away from the wall. This requirement is intended to reduce the signal interference to the antenna. The indoor anchor has a built-in antenna, which is located on the back of the center, and this part should not be in direct contact with the metal support. The anchors should be located at the same height. The height of the layout should not be lower than the human body. Set the primary anchor. First connect 1 anchor, access 192.168.1.10, log in and enter the server IP, address 192.168.1.8. Select the primary anchor with UWB tunnel number 1. Save and then go to IP settings. To set the new IP address, which can be changed to automatic IP or manual IP. Set the slave anchor, connect other anchors, access 19 to .168.1.10, log in and enter the server IP. Address 19 to .168.1.8, select the slave anchor with UWB tunnel number 2, 3, 4, in order. The signal tunnels of two adjacent anchors should not be the same. Save and then go to IP setting to set the new IP address, which can be changed to automatic IP or manual IP. After the anchor has been configured, select the zone which the anchor belongs to, and the suitable dimension, to D, 1D, 0D, can only be selected individually, in the Edit option of the anchor management. Finally, move the anchor icon to the actual location, in Zone Edit, of the zone management and save it. Results.